The Dayton Audio MA455 is the perfect way for your business to distribute audio to different zones easily and reliably. There are 4 inputs that use either quarter-inch or RCA plugs. Each channel has its own volume knob, bass, and treble controls, as well as a designated button to send the audio to any one of the 4 zones. Just as an example, let's say channel 1, which is playing music, can be sent to zones 1 and 2, whereas channel 2 and 3, each playing their own different music streams, can be sent to zones 3 and 4 respectively. Lastly, channel 4 could be an announcement line, which could be sent to all zones at the same time if you want. And that's the best part. You can mix and match however you want. Now the zones can be ceiling speakers or in-wall speakers or even horns. To show you, we installed the MA455 here at a local baseball complex. It now allows music and announcements on all 4 fields or any individual field depending on the zones selected. Also, the unit is equipped with a 5th input that can be used to play audio via your phone or other devices using Bluetooth, as well as the ability to play audio from an SD card, USB, or even over-the-air radio. Not to mention, every channel can be run through one of 7 EQ settings for a more tailored sound, even from this handy remote. Lastly, this device is also protected by a see-through covering that can be opened to reveal the master controls, and then closed as well as locked by a key. The MA455 delivers all the functionality and quality you would expect from Dayton Audio in a simplified design. Get yours only at Dayton Audio.